Hi everybody! Do you remember the cat video? If you haven't seen it, you should, because it's really good and it's really cute. Just look at it. See, my cats are driving me crazy if I don't keep on giving them new things. That's why I keep coming up with new cat ideas, like this cat bed. The great thing about all the cat makes is that we can transform them into anything we like. All we need is some paint and some cardboard. We start with sketching out the evil expression. So here's the eyebrows. Evil eyebrows is very important when it comes to creating an evil expression. And then we darken in the eyes. Then we open up the mouth into an evil grin. And we put in the awful, sharp, evil teeth. And then the lips, but then I changed to a red pencil. The lips are particularly important when it comes to creating an evil cat clown. Then we start painting it in. And while this is drying, I'm gonna glue on a big forehead. Because you know, the evil clowns, they always have these big, bad foreheads for some reason. So I'm gonna give this cat a big forehead. Some glue, and I just stick it on to the back like this. About there. Oh, that's really bad. Ooh. Then I switch to white, and I have a thin mix with a bit of water in it, so that I can sort of sketch out where the white color goes. Then I switch to a thicker white, and I paint it on where I am certain that I want a pure white surface. Then I switch to red, and now the lips. Now I need to go carefully around the black line. Then I grab a bigger brush and start painting the ears red. And when I do that, they're not the ears anymore, they are clown hair. Then we continue with some green on the teeth. Yeah, let's make them as horrible as possible. I'm just rubbing in a little bit of green at the base of the teeth here. And some yellow. Ooh, so ugly. Browny, yellowy, green teeth. Looks nice against the red though. And then some red lipstick smear sort of coming down here. You can use your fingers as well to sort of smear it out. Ooh, horrible. Some wrinkles in the forehead. Some lines in the hair. Refresh the whiskers a bit. A bit of highlight on the lower lip. And then the eyes. And the eyes are particularly important in order to create that evil clown look. I'm mixing in a bit of white in the yellow as well for the center of the eye, where the glow is strongest. And finally, the red clown nose. Whoops! Did I forget something? The big clown shoes. There and there. And a little kitten. Good night, kitten. Okay, now you can continue with the evil laughter.